Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
This video, we hope, will give you a better explanation of how to use this assessment. Now, this is a student's cross-number puzzle, and the student can become their own author. On the left, you'll notice we have the cross-number puzzle, and on the right, we have the table. Now, students may create their own lesson using the cross-number shape above. They may create any math problem, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and or division. I advocate that you have the students write the answers first in the spaces provided here on the left. Then have them place the equation in the table on the right relative to each answer. A separate Word document is provided allowing you, the teacher or whomever, to type in the equation in a table and paste and create the QR code. This is a great formative assessment to the extent that the evidence about student achievement is provided, interpreted, and may be used by teachers to make decisions about the next step in instruction. This may be used as a summative assessment also. As an evaluation technique in instructional design, it will provide information in detail on the knowledge of the subject. Let me click on the pen up here to give us an example of what we are looking for. Now, the student, whether it be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, designs their own lesson. Let me do something very simple here in addition. I'm going to say the number 20 here. Then the student must write over here, what is the equation for this? You can do it any number of ways. We could say 15 plus 5 equals. Or you can do 4 times 5, multiplication or division. Let me give you another example. For number 2, I'm going to use the number 17. And a student could write for number 2, hopefully a little bit neater than what I'm doing. He could say, or she could say, we have 12 plus 5. Now for number 3, you might want to use another number, and you can make this as sophisticated as you want. Like I say, this is a great assessment. So for number 3, let's very simply say 40. 40. Now, for this equation, let's say 50 minus 10. So the kids can work in subtraction. And for 5 across, let's say the number 30 again. 30. And what we can do here is we can say 15 times 2 equals. Now it's extremely important that you do the across first. And the reason you want to do the across first is exampled right here on number 2 down. So number 1 down, you might want to say this number is going to be, let's say, 21. So you might want to say 7 plus 7 plus 7. Just another format equals 21. Okay, but look at number 2 down. 2, the answer is already given. So you could say, very simply, you could say 6 plus 4 equals. So you can see the 1 down is already created for us. Let's look at 3 down. 3 down is 40. So we could say, very simply here again, we could say 10 times 4 equals. So this is why you want to do the across first, because sometimes the answer for one down is provided for you. Now, when you're done with all this, you may want to take the best ones and, using the other sheet of paper that we provided for you, type in these numbers, or have a student, depending upon the grade level, type them in without the answers, of course, and then create the QR code. Hopefully all of this made sense, and I welcome anybody's suggestion, because I think this is a great assessment and it will allow teachers and students to learn a lot quicker and a lot easier. Well, thank you for watching.